Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into the roadmap to becoming an Azure AI engineer. Whether you are just starting out or looking to advance your career, this guide will help you navigate the certifications and skills you need. Let's get started. Azure AI engineers are responsible for building, managing, and deploying AI solutions using Azure AI services. They work with various teams to integrate AI capabilities into applications and solutions. The first step is the AI 900 certification, which is the Azure AI Fundamentals. This certification is designed for those who are new to AI and want to understand the basics. The AI 900 exam covers topics such as AI workloads, fundamental principles of machine learning, and features of computer vision, natural language processing, and conversational AI on Azure. It's a great starting point to build a solid foundation. Next, we have the AI 102 certification, which is the Azure AI Engineer Associate. This certification is for those who want to design and implement AI solutions using Azure AI services. The AI 102 exam covers a wide range of topics, including understanding the components of Azure AI and data storage options, using Azure Cognitive Services to moderate content, building solutions that analyze images and videos using computer vision, creating applications that understand a process human language using natural language processing, extracting insights from large data sets using knowledge mining, using AI to generate new content using generative AI. To prepare for these exams, Microsoft offers a variety of resources. Here are some tips help you to study effectively. Utilize the free learning paths and modules available on Microsoft Learn. Take practice exams to familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions. Engage in hands-on labs to apply what you have learned in the practical settings. Join the community forums and study groups to share knowledge and get support from peers. Becoming an Azure AI engineer is a rewarding journey that opens up numerous opportunities in the field of artificial intelligence. By following this roadmap and leveraging the available resources, you will be well on your way to achieving your certifications and advancing your career. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, keep supporting and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning.